A seemingly harmless mode of transportation, a destructive new fad, and a fatal vendetta. Tonight on Real News Network, we go behind the scenes of the chilling details of the death of a young college student. The company Bird provides the public with a safe and alternative form of transportation through the use of scooter. Since the company's arrival to the metropolitan areas, it has become more and more popular, being there for the rental scene. Now, they're found in most areas and are becoming more and more available by day. However, it hasn't necessarily been smooth sailing for the company. The increasing presence of birds in both location and numbers has been met with an increasing dislike from the general public. What began as formal complaints has escalated into violent destruction of scooters. For months, Instagram accounts have shown the destruction and misuse of the scooter. Until one fateful night, that's all changed.
Dude, you're such a cool guy. Came down from Miami. Someone should have warned him. Birds are different down here, for real.
Yeah, I just don't feel safe walking around here anymore. And I definitely blame those birds.
Wait, why is that?
You wanna fight?
That was like my best friend since I laid eyes on him at Rush Week, like the first week. He's like the type of dude, like, to Edward 40 hands, and still take the ladies home afterwards. We used to bird all the time. I don't know what happened. I wish I just could have been there for him. Shouldn't let him walk alone. Like, that was my bro.
With the power and technology and cross-references from the witnesses, we have provided you with what we believe to be an accurate representation of the night of the murder. Due to the graphic nature of this reenactment, viewer discretion is advised.
Such a cool guy.
That was my bro.